If you're somebody who colors your hair and you have blonde hair or you have brunette hair and in the sun or over time it gets yellow or brassy, this is a product for you and you're gonna wanna watch this. This is our purple toner. Our purple toner was designed for blonde hairs or gray silver hair. And what the product does is cancels out any unwanted yellow or warm tones and creates a cool tone ashy blonde or really icy white silver. Our hair toners are salon quality and professional grade, so it's very important to follow the instructions carefully so you don't risk overtoning your hair and potentially turning your hair purple or blue. With that being said, that's not to deter you and not to say that these products aren't easy to use with the proper instructions. There are two crucial steps that you must follow every time you tone your hair. The first one is to always start with damp hair. If you're toning a wig, hair topper, or hair extensions, you never want to start with dry hair. So before you start the toning process, you always want to make sure that you rinse your hair under cool water until it's fully saturated. The second crucial, most important tip is to always add conditioner to the water first. Hair toners tend to be drying on the hair, so it's always important to mix in conditioner into your bucket of water with your hair toner. So in your bucket of water, make sure to mix a few pumps of salon quality moisturizing conditioner with a few pumps of your Milano hair toner. After that, use your hand to make sure that you mix together both products until they are fully dissolved. Making sure that the toner is fully dissolved in the water is also super important. Once it's fully dissolved, the color of the water should be a deep violet purple. Once you're ready, take your damp hair and dunk it into the water, making sure that it's fully submerged. Then use your hand to swirl your hair around in circular motions under the water for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. Continuously swirling the hair is very important as well because it helps ensure that all of the strands of hair are evenly saturated and helps ensure that they can be evenly toned. After about 30 seconds to 1 minute, lift your hair out of the water to examine the tone or the color of the hair. If your hair no longer has a yellow or warm hue to it, then your hair is probably done toning and it's time to rinse. If it still looks a little warm to you, then repeat that step for another 30 seconds and then examine the hair again. It is crucial to always check the color of the hair before repeating the step. You do not want to overtone your hair or possibly turn your hair purple. Once you've achieved your desired results, it's time to condition your hair. Rinse your hair under cool water and then pour out the bucket of water with the toner in it. Conditioning your hair is easy. All you have to do is fill up a bucket with lukewarm or cool water, a few pumps of your favorite conditioner, and mix the conditioner in the water until it's fully dissolved. Dunk your hair in the water, swirl it around for about 1 minute, and then rinse your hair off with cool water. Gently towel dry your hair and then let it air dry the rest of the way. After that, style as desired.